That's my new Susan knife that I just got. It's the farmer model. It's silver. I want to play. There's a little thingy right here for like carving in your name. I mean, engraving your name. Alright, let's start with the useless crap that I won't use. Okay, can opener, very simple. It's pointing right here to open up the cans, you know, open it up in multiple places, then pry it open, and this part is like part-time flathead screwdriver. Next is the bottle opener. Bottle opener, also flathead screwdriver right here. Open up bottles, and it also has a wire stripper. Yeah. Next we move on to the awl, or whatever you want to call it. Now when you open this thing up, do not open it like... Do not open it up like this, because it is edged. So you will cut yourself, so you open it up like this. So open it up all the way using the handle thingy. Okay. Is like somewhere over here. The handle thingy that is right there. So yeah, use that to open it. So yeah, it is edged, unlike normal Swiss Army knives, it is on the tip instead of in the middle. Right here. See, like, by the way, the examples that I'm using are from my, I have no idea what model this is. I got it 3 years ago in a box. See, the box is right there. And those are my keys. I have the small Swiss Army knife. Like the tiny one that only has the nail filer, the scissors, and the really tiny knife. This is the one that I bring with me everywhere. This is going to be the new one that I bring with me everywhere. But you know, in one regular Swiss Army knives, the awl isn't edged in; it's like, you know, in the middle. I'd rather have it like this because then it's like easier. And this is like pointed too, so if I stabbed into my leg, if I like did that to my leg, it actually would penetrate through. Next tool. Moving on to the next tool. Well, I'm moving on to the blades now. Okay, next tool is the saw. Yeah, next tool is the saw. Saw. And these ones are, and like I said, I haven't used any of these tools yet. Like, so they're all, you know. I haven't used this once. Now let's compare. Oh yeah, by the way, I have used this one that I'm showing you, like, right now. See, like, see, let's compare the saw blades. The farmer model is bigger, the slider, because it has less application. And the blades are bigger too. See, like, as you can see, this one starts off sharper than this one would start off as. And more shiny. Okay, now I'm going to show you the main blade. The main blade is, on the farmer, is bigger than an average Swiss Army knife blade. The one I'm about to show you on my regular knife that I bring with me everywhere is messed up because I lit it on fire. So it's like burnt in some places. I wish I could have just taken off the flash. I don't need the flash. See, it's like messed up and burnt everywhere. By the way, I did carve my initials into the blade. And by the way, this one says stainless china right here. Probably can't see it. Now for the farmer model. Farmer model one is way bigger. And it says Victorinox was made right here, but this one says stainless china. Let's see, let's compare the blades. The farmer model is way bigger. See, I'll be surprised. The farmer model is thicker and longer. That's what she said. This one is shorter and thinner. That's what she said. Also, bouncy wow wow. And this one isn't all effed up like this one is. And this one is sharp. So if I were to just like drop it right here from this distance, like accurately drop it, it would pierce my leg. It is that sharp. Ouch. It hurts. And I just poked myself. And with this one, I poked myself. Barely even hurts, but it still could cut me after 3 years of abusing the freaking blade so many times. Oh yeah, and by the way, if you could please tell me what model this is, because I have no idea what model it is. Yeah. Well, that was the farmer system. Well, let me open up all of the applications so you can see how big it is. Sorry about this. But, you know, can't be a review if you're not showing everything at once. Oh, okay, thank God I didn't just cut myself right there. See, it's 2 on this side, 3 on this side, knife, saw blade, can opener, hole maker, hole puncher, and bottle opener. See how hollow that is. It's just like nothing is there anymore. Well, that was the Farmer Swiss Army knife. I hope you liked it. Please comment, rate, subscribe for more crap, random stuff. And please tell me what this is in the comment box if you know which model it is. Thank you, and over and out.